guys, Saving with Shay. Listen, this is gonna be a video talking about the Brand Club app. It's a newer app. This is like my second week using it. I kind of haven't mentioned it on purpose because I want to give myself a chance to kind of feel it out and see if I like it before I come at you guys with you know, with the 411 or whatever. And so far I really like it, you guys. I'm a fan. I'm a total fan. It's crazy because I had saw Saving with Christina talk about it, and I was just like, dang, another app. But you know what? I will never ever say no to another app. Like, I'm just like this. Like, if it's gonna give me more money or put more money back in my pocket, I'm there. This app is stupid easy. Like, it's freaking easy to use. All right, so I'm gonna go over the sign up process really quick. All right, so when you sign up, you go through all the normal stuff, information and all that, email address. The payout is through PayPal, which is awesome because whenever you're going to convert rebate money back to cash, I'm happier. All right. So make sure that your email address for your Brand Club account is the same as your PayPal account. All right. So you sign up, you want to link your Amazon account, Walmart account, Target account, if you have Chewy or Chewy account, and they're going to pay you for that. I think Walmart was like $3 and Target was like $2 and Amazon was probably like $5, I think, or something like that. But they are paying you to link those accounts, okay? So that is the first way that you're going to get paid, all right, by linking your accounts. All right, the second way is from joining clubs. They have countless clubs that you can join, and they will pay you to join those clubs. And it can range anywhere between 50 cents to $2, even $3, I think. So I joined every single club that was paying me. I joined, all right? And then I joined other clubs of brands that I am more likely to purchase, all right? That's the second way. The third way you're gonna get paid on there is from doing surveys, all right? With the surveys, they can range anywhere between, I wanna say it was like $1 and like $3. And you do the survey, it will actually, the reward is considered locked until you make a purchase of that particular brand, and then it becomes unlocked, all right, which is awesome. All right, the other way of getting paid on there is from just making those brand purchases. Like when you make purchases of a certain brand, you get paid that way. And it could be anywhere between 5 cents, 30 cents. I had one that was like $1 something, which was just mad amazing. And of course, the last way is to obviously share your referral code. Once a person uses your code and they actually sign up, that's when it unlocks that $10 referral code for you. All right. And so for me, so far, I got 1 referral yesterday and 2 today. Only 1 person has actually completed the setup process. And so I do have 2 referrals that are considered locked. All right. And those are pretty much all the ways that you can earn on here, which I think is really cool. I like the fact that you link your account so you don't really have to do a whole lot. You don't necessarily have to scan receipts if your accounts are linked, but I've been seeing a lot of people say that they're not really getting the points that they're supposed to based on their purchases and stuff from their linked accounts. And so what I do, because I shop pretty much at Walmart every day, if you guys watch me, almost every day. And so what I do, rather than use my Walmart Pay, I just scan my receipts. So once I make my purchase, as I'm scanning my receipts for all my other rebates and stuff, I scan that one into my Walmart app. And then once you actually sync your Brand Club account, it'll pick up the purchases that way. Now, from my understanding, it could take a few days for it to actually credit you for the purchases. So it's not like it's something that's going to happen right away. Now, when I first signed up, you guys, honestly, I'm not even gonna lie. Like, I keep all my receipts. I keep all my receipts. Well, at least I still have all mine from last year. I hadn't trashed them yet, which honestly, like usually I would have trashed them by now, because it's already March. And so what I did is, before I went to bed that night that I signed up, it took me like 2 hours, you guys. And I was just scanning receipts and scanning receipts. I'll show you how to do it for Walmart. Actually, let me show you really quick while it's in my head. What you want to do is you're going to open up your Walmart account, all right? And you're going to click the very bottom where it says account, all right? And then you're going to click purchase history, all right? And so these are all of my purchases. Like you guys, I could just keep scrolling. I added every single receipt that I have. But let me just go back up so I can show you how to do this. Y'all get the point. All right, so anyway, so the little scanner at the very top, you're just gonna scan your receipt. Now, I've already scanned this receipt in, so it's probably not gonna work because, let me see, it's too dark in here. Okay, so it says receipt found. It says receipt found because I already scanned it. If I hadn't scanned it and it was a new receipt, it would have asked me if I wanted to save it, and I would click yes. All right, and that's basically all you do to add your receipts in. So if y'all got all y'all receipts, I'm telling you, scan them. You will not regret it. You will not even regret it. So I'm going to open up my Brandclub account for you guys. Okay, so basically from this page, this is the home page. All right, so from this page, it's basically you can invite friends, you can join clubs, and then taking surveys. Now, it only allows you to take up to 3 surveys per day in a 24-hour period. So keep that in mind. As you can see, your girl reach her limit. All right, so I make sure that I do my 3 surveys a day, and I usually do them in the mornings. And the surveys can range anywhere between, I want to say, $3. I think the highest one I saw in here was $3. Yep, the highest one is $3, and it goes down to about $1.50. I don't think I saw any dollars at all in here though. And so basically, once you do your survey, the survey is stupid easy, you guys. Like, the questions are super easy, like just stupid easy, like 2 minutes, less than 2 minutes to do the survey. And then that reward is considered locked once you've made the purchase of that particular brand, and then it unlocks it. Okay, all of your purchases of those same brands, you'll get a little bit here and there from all of them. And I'll actually show you guys on my account all of the receipts that I've submitted, how I'm getting money from all of them. And so I'm going to go down to rewards. All right, so this shows my activity. So the red dot is unlocked, and the yellow one, where's the yellow one? All these are unlocked? Wow, I didn't know all these were unlocked. I thought a lot of these were locked, but it looks like they're all unlocked. That's amazing, because when I checked the other day, yesterday, a lot of these were locked, but it looks like they're all unlocked. So basically, as you guys can see, this is all money. Like, this is stuff that I use coupons for. This is stuff I got rebates for. This is stuff that was already free. This is stuff that was already making me money on top of that. And this is, what is this right here? What is that? Revlon got me back 35 cents. On top of that, it was probably a clearance item that I used a coupon for and got overage for, and then I got a rebate on Ibotta for too. So it could easily add up. But I kind of wanted to show you guys my account so you guys could see all of this stuff that has literally been free. And if y'all been watching me, y'all know the stuff that I buy. Look at that. Mederma got me back 47 cents. And I think that was like a $3 moneymaker when we did it. There goes the Dove, bunch of Revlon. And so, yeah, all this is unlocked. All of that is unlocked. But basically, yeah, so that's another way that you can get money too. You do the surveys, the reward is locked. You make that purchase, it unlocks the survey reward, plus you'll get a little bit for that purchase as well. Now, if I click cash out, then you're gonna see my whole breakdown of my account. Just cash out $50 right now because I wanted to see what it was gonna do, because it looks like they have a maximum amount of $50, and that's exactly what it was. Because my cash out, my unlocked rewards was like $75, I think, and then my cash out was $50. So when I cashed out, then it made $30 available. So it looks like they have a max amount of $50, and so yeah, and it's yeah, cash out frequency. I think you have to wait 24 hours. Yeah, you have to wait 24 hours to cash out again. So yeah. But yeah, so it's super easy, you guys. The app is super, super easy. And as you guys can see, those are my payouts right there. The one for today I did for $49.97, and then the first was my first payout, which was $19.52. And again, it goes straight to your PayPal. It only took mine like a day or two to go through. When you want to sync your account, all you do is click the little plus sign in the middle. It usually takes 5 to 10 minutes to sync. And it's just going to do this until it actually is finished. Syncing your Walmart, your Target, and your Amazon account. It's syncing them. And if it picks up any or finds anything, it's going to say what's been found. Now, I've noticed in my experience, it always says nothing found, but then it does find stuff. I absolutely love this app so far. And I think the biggest thing with it is it being user friendly. And I know there are people that are still having issues with cashing out and having issues with it, but I haven't had any issues yet. Again, I have an Android. I've been getting money back on receipts that were like from last year, you guys, from like probably almost a year ago, because my earliest receipts were back in probably March, April, May even. And so it's kind of cool that you're able to scan these receipts and it's picking up these purchases. But let me tell you this really quick, y'all. The day that I scanned all my receipts, I stayed up probably 2 hours before, but I would say 2 hours before bed. I was just in bed scanning all my receipts, And did I show you guys my receipts? Oh, look, all these receipts. All right, I save all my receipts. I save every single, all of these are my Amazon ones, and these are all of my other ones. All right, so I scanned them all. Now, I scanned them all that night, and then I got tired, and then I scanned the rest of them the next day. So it probably took me a good 2.5 to probably 2.5 to 2:45 as far as time to scan the receipt. So it did take me some time. And afterwards I synced, and it didn't really pick up much. And I was feeling a little disappointed at first, because I was just like, wait a minute. I just spent 2.5 hours getting all those receipts and it didn't pick up nothing. It was like jump change. And so then, but literally it took like, I think it was like that next day or 2 days later, and I happened to sync it again, and it picked up all of these flipping rebates, you guys, and rewards. I was just like, this was yesterday. I was like, OMG, because it had jumped up to like $50. And I was just like, I ran in there and told Joseph, I was so excited. I was so excited because I was just like, oh my gosh, babe, look, I have $50. And it's cool because it's money that you could cash out. Like, it's money that you can actually see, you know what I mean? And I freaking love that. And so whenever there's an opportunity for me to make money back, because as you guys know, inflation, everything is going up, and you want to be able to get back as much as you can, then you want to be able to sign up for different apps and know that they're there, and that push come to shove, you could use that money to pay a bill if you need to. And I think that's probably one of my favorite things about it. I've only had to do that maybe once or twice where I've had to use rebate money to pay a bill, but the fact that I can do that if I want to, I think that's awesome. I want you guys to try it out. Sign up, use my link, finish the sign up process, link your accounts. I'm telling you, you will not regret it. You will not regret it. I will tell you also, if you have receipts around your house, scan them. Again, I know, well, most people I don't have as many as I have, but I keep my receipts. It's just what I do. You know what I mean? And so scan all your receipts. Wait a few days, sync it, and just see how much you get. And it's funny because I can sync it right now, and it'll still be picking up rewards from receipts that it hadn't picked up from, which is crazy that it can do that. I thought it was like a one shot where it picks them all up at one time and that's it, but it doesn't. It'll still pick up stuff. And so I think that's really cool as well. Other than that, guys, I hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to show your hero a little love by liking this video, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.